Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made beautiful modern wall sconces using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these tumbling tower game wood pieces. I used wood glue to adhere 8 of the wood pieces together. I wiped away the excess wood glue and then I repeated those steps to make 10 additional square pieces. I'll need 12 squares for this project, but for the 12th square, I'm also adding the silver wire LED lights that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Since the battery pack has a bit of weight to it, I'm attaching it with this Gorilla Construction adhesive that I picked up from Walmart. I then added a second layer of the wood pieces. I was careful not to add the construction adhesive to the cover of the battery pack so that I could easily screw the cover off and change the batteries out as needed. I then used that same construction adhesive to begin putting my wall sconce together. I want the center of my wall sconce to be slightly elevated, so here I'm using the construction adhesive to add more of the wood blocks just to the center of my design. Next, I painted the outside of each of the squares using this black acrylic paint that I already had at home. Once my paint was completely dry, I used hot glue to attach my wire lights along the center of my design. Next, I added 12 square Dollar Tree mirrors. I removed the sticker and the black tabs from each of the mirrors and used construction adhesive to attach them. I've decided to also add 3-inch square mirrors that I picked up from Michael's for less than $2. With the 12 mirrors, this design has a bit of weight to it, so command strips won't work for this project. Instead, I've added soft tooth hangers to 2 of my wooden pieces. Since I'll need to let this dry for about 24 hours, I've decided to go ahead and also paint the back of my design with that same black acrylic paint. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!